Hello and welcome to clever-paws. Welcome back to the Animal Artist Collective. For 2019, the focus is on animal groups rather than biomes, and we start off with insects. From the start, I wanted to do either a mantis, a dragonfly, or a damselfly, and in the end, I went with the dragonfly. But let me tell you a bit about the AAC first, if you don't know yet what it is all about. The Animal Artist Collective was created by Jennifer Charlie from Jennifer Charlie Art and Denise from Liquid Colur in March of 2018. Every other month, the members get together and create animal-focused art based around a specific biome chosen by you. The members also sell their originals to raise money for charity. I will leave a link to the Facebook page of the collective where you can vote on the next theme and check out the members of the collective. I am not a member myself, but I like the challenge that comes with it, and of course I like animals, so I try to get a few started each time. The first two things I learned about dragonflies were that they are an indicator of water quality and that their larvae eats that of mosquitoes. As an engineer, I also know that, unlike bumblebees, we have the technology to recreate them under the name of helicopter. Of course, these are not the only things worth noting about damselflies and dragonflies, with the most noticeable difference between them that damselflies fold their wings when at rest, the dragonflies do not. They are in the order of Odonata, meaning toothed ones, even though they don't have teeth, just incredibly strong mandibles. As one of the oldest insects, developing around 300 million years ago, they had a long time to perfect their flying skills. They can even stop and change directions instantly. Dragonflies are such good flyers that they can not only hunt and kill, but also eat any prey mid-flight. Some species can reach speeds of 80 miles per hour, others have been known to cross an ocean during migration season, logging some 11,000 miles in the process. When looking at a dragonfly's head, one notices that they are practically all eye, or rather, some 30,000 facets, providing the animal with near 360-degree vision. Their only blind spot is right behind them. Dragonflies are such good hunters that they have a 95% success rate. Their diet comprises mainly of other insects, anything from midges and mosquitoes to moths and even smaller dragonflies. There are over 5,500 species of dragon and damselflies, most in the tropical regions, but 114 in Europe and 56 of those on the British Isles. Depending on species and latitude, dragonfly larvae live underwater for between 2 and 6 years where they hatch. During that time, they molt up to 17 times as they grow and transform into the dragonflies we see in the air. Once in the air, dragonflies live for approximately 1 summer or around 7 months. While living underwater, they are just as prolific hunters as they will be in the air, eating other insect larvae, tadpoles, and even the occasional small fish. Some species of dragonflies, such as the sea-side dragonlet, can handle water several times saltier than the ocean for their offspring. In addition to being amazing animals, they are also important in the symbolism in cultures all around the world. In Japan, for example, the dragonfly is associated with the seasons of summer and autumn, and it is the royal totem of victory, power, and agility. To many natives of North symbolizes happiness, purity, and speed. While in China, its symbolism extends to include prosperity, harmony, and good luck in general. But let me talk about the art itself here for a bit as well, and it is a lot of firsts. As usual, a list of all the materials used can be found in the description below. For the line art, I am using colored Sakura Micron by Sakura in 0.1 that I picked up when on holidays a few weeks ago. The line art style I am using is broken lines, as the animal has an extremely delicate appearance and I didn't think anything line art heavy would suit. The paper I am using is Botanical Ultrasmooth 300 GSM 50% cotton surface size, and let me tell you, the surface is almost silk-like and there was only the slightest of buckling in the very end after numerous washes. I did use my White Nights watercolors, but mostly for the background and for the dark areas such as the legs and right between the eyes. For the rest of the illustration, I am using the Watercolour Confections, and I am using them in an illustration for the first time here now. When I swatched them initially, I wasn't too impressed, but they really are wonderful prints. Finally, I added Finetec to the illustration, especially the eyes and the wings, but also some to the body of the dragonfly. All I knew from the start was that I wanted to use Finetec, so I tried them over various media and worked backwards from there to end up with a watercolor illustration. It all could have gone so wrong, and it went so well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you next week.